it's another great day. I'm going to show you a new trick you can use to win bets with SofaScore. This one, SofaScore has already predicted the game for you. All you just need to do is go and search for the team betting site you use to place your bets. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, comment, and share the video to your friends so that they also get to know how you can use SofaScore to win bets. Click on this speed sign at the top left corner here. So after clicking on it, you go to, or you come to dropping us, then you go to high value streaks. This high value streaks is very strong and good way you can win bet, but it's going to be a long form bet. So if you don't want a long form bet, you can come to trending odds, which I made a video about earlier on. You can use that one too. Okay, so you can check the trending odds, but this video is for two categories, which is high value streaks and the top head to head, which is also something that I'm going to talk about in this video. Subscribe, that's one, is very important, and it tells me that you guys are really enjoying the video I'm creating for you, the research I have been doing, and the way you can win bets. So let's pick these two teams. SofaScore is telling us that this team will play over 2.5 for both teams to score, and the most 10 out of 10 is under 4.5 cars, but most betting platforms don't bring this option, which is under 4.5 cars in small games like this. And another one is like for the head-to-head streaks, SofaScore is saying that the away team is going to win, which is Sandvals is going to win, and the second one, which is New York City, is going to win. Or the logos, I don't know the team, so unless I click on the team before I know the team. And we have Union Omaha. Please, if you skip the video, you are not going to understand what I'm saying. Let's go to this team. Bordeaux Glimt, SofaScore is saying they are going to play over 2.5. The same thing, Al Nassr, they are going to play over 2.5. And we have Bayern against Real Madrid. They are playing tomorrow. SofaScore is saying they are going to play over 2.5. Okay, so this is how you can use SofaScore to place long bets using the high value streaks. Let's go to top head to head. We have the Cook City win 7 games straight without losing to the away team, sorry. And we have the Wild win 19 and the away just won only 1. So we have Nordland win or won, I'm not speaking the English well, 1 straight 7 and they drew 1. So, yeah, this is how you can play straight win using this SofaScore trick. Thank you.